Hello there, and welcome to Satisfying Machines and Ingenious Tools. Did you know it takes 12 pounds of milk to produce just 1 gallon of ice cream? Can you guess which country consumes the most? That's right, the United States. The humble potato has been a staple starch in diets around the globe. This cutter makes dinner time a bit more interesting by cutting the potatoes in a helical shape. A claw hammer is a carpenter's best friend, usually used to drive and pull nails from wood. But clever workers always find unintended uses for their tools. This next tool would come in handy at your next barbecue. It's not science, but perfectly shaped patties always taste better for some reason. Ingenuity is the best tool in the shop. Watch how this craftsman creates a DIY solution using everyday items around the shop to make a PVC pipe fit properly. Layering a thin coat of concrete evenly on a wall is often done by hand, but this skill takes years to master. Sometimes sorting citrus fruits is done by hand, but this can lead to inconsistent standards. Citrus sorting machines come in many varieties and sort fruit by size or weight, increasing productivity significantly. When metal is heated to a high enough temperature, it becomes malleable, and with a bit of pressure can be formed into almost any shape desired. Iron alloy metals and steel melting points occur at temperatures around 2200 to 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. Sir Ambrose Fleming was the first electronic engineering professor. He built the transmitter that Marconi used to transmit the first radio signal across the Atlantic on 12 December 1901. A muselet is a wire cage that fits over the cork of a bottle of champagne, sparkling wine, or beer. Die cutting is a process by which custom-shaped parts can be converted from sheets of base materials by imprinting under pressure the shape of the part. You may be surprised at how many nail-holding hand tools are available. They come in all shapes and sizes to make this repetitive job of driving nails easier. This lathe-like machine is showing how precise it can cut. Watch as it slices a raised helical thread in this part. There are many different pliers used to grip things firmly. This is a chain plier tool used to repair chains. It's a handy tool in the field because a broken chain immediately halts progress on the job site. Metal is made up of a crystalline structure that directly relates to the mechanical properties. If you can modify the structure, you can adjust its hardness, malleability, toughness, tensile strength, and many other things. Here we see a great illustration of how strong metals can be forged with these chisels. Watch how they bite through any metal thrown in their path. The purpose of a ball bearing is to reduce rotational friction and support radial and axial loads, but watching them being made is simply mesmerizing. Well, there you have it. Some very satisfying machines and ingenious tools. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching. Bye now.